Touch bases with the haters and the fakers, they don't know me. The block still mine, Kelly Cole, know I'm OG. Never stop about it, it's a profit when I get paid. Niggas tryna play, but they cut a K and cut face. Do the math, you subtract, I just add, you just saying. I just pull up my pants, 40 cal, got me with a crazy dab. When I swag it out, you be on the masturbate shit. I'm on the mashing block, cook cold, leave the block broke. Cause I might go berserk, and if I did it in 9 to 5, I just flip the work. Got OZs, 36 ounces in the package. Niggas talk shit, but I knock them out their basket. Baby ass niggas, they be in the abortion nation. I'm a pussy connoisseur cause I know they hate it. I need some good cushion and a big bottle, boy. Y'all niggas talk shit, fuck models, boy. I'm raw. Y'all niggas have planes. I'm still tip top. Y'all niggas ain't right. I'm going left to the death like a jam. Catch me on the block, swingers on the Trans Am. Catch me in your local studio getting ether. Niggas talk shit, but I am the Grim Reaper on the track. I'll sleep you. I will delete you, defeat you. Straight up the street of these niggas know I'm streeter. No competition, come peach like AOK with a cutter. Leave a nigga chopped out, never will stutter. Nigga, I'm a hostile, raw like what's up. Niggas play games, I'ma hit you in your fenders. #1 contenders, put their brains in the blender. Miss me dinner, gotta eat you up. The procedures piss in the cup, make your girl suck my dick and my nuts swallow it up. Now that's a protein shake, more lows in her face. Niggas talk shit, but they might just get erased. It just sketch the rap game, cause they know I'm real. HOUSTON, I'm so for shield. Outside TXAS, and we the best down south. And you know we don't play, I'm an outside captain. Hate a nigga my kind, and chaos spray through your spine, and it'll blow out your mind. You better know how you getting it, cause you know me. Field war gangster shit, block, know I'm OG. Never will stop for a profit, I gotta get mine. Niggas talk shit, chiropractic, break they spine. Know how the logic is, know how I rhyme shit. Know I don't need a shield, know I'ma keep it real. I've been in the battlefield since I was 12. Collect a meal in jail cell, them days was hills, but I pray to Jesus. Haters, they won't believe this. I wish my nigga Mike and Lil Josh was allowed to see this. Beefing ain't facetious, playing like they know they me. Y'all niggas bitch in the block, still ain't know it's me. I'ma go in and I'ma go hard. I'ma pull your card, cause they so fraud. Always gossiping like a broad, they know they mad at it. I'm the game gutter, nigga. OG call me grandpappy, smoking on that kush. Sour diesel, that's the smoke. Or you catch me on that perp, granddaddy, that's for show. Sipping bar in my cup, still leaning with it. Pro milk drink, got a nigga on some medication. They know they hesitated and I penetrated. Looking at their faces, I made them do the Matrix. I'm #1 like Neo. These niggas know I got your girl singing just like Neo, and then she on my dickhead. I fucked her, she calling my phone, I won't answer. She think I'm a man, she misled. I split heads cause I keep a chopper. I keep big 4 cows and the nigga gotta keep the guap up. Big money and these niggas just bitches. I'm a shark in the water, minerals when they fishing. You don't even see me cause my bar's so exquisite. I be delivering like a pizza, man, I'm outstanding. Outlandish with this flow. Need a script? It ain't an act, nigga. Cut direct this shit. Fuck your clan, fuck you and your man cooking grams in the pot. Call that supply and demand. To get the chips and dip, I just get the cheddar. Niggas talk shit, but all I do is pack Berettas. Fuck y'all niggas, shoot the ball like Jennifer Dick. Niggas won't flex, but I'ma come that's correct like a chick like Nike. They don't wanna fight me, and they can't box like niggas hands behind their back. Talk shit, get smacked like a DVD. Y'all niggas ain't ready, y'all can't see a G. Open up your eyes, never will lose it. Y'all niggas hoes, so I'm never refusing. Diffusing, I'm abusing, never fill up my shoes. Shit, I'm the madman, y'all knew this. Come around my city and get clipped up. Niggas talk shit just like paper get ripped up. Sip cup. Child, nigga, holla front 90. Go get that mixtape, you know what I'm saying? MSM the gang, man. You know what it is, nigga. MSMG, nigga. What it do, Kid K? What it do, my nigga? You know what I'm talking about? Free my nigga Ellis Enrique. You know what I'm saying? I just burnt the Kujina, man. For the critics, man. Let me show y'all that hole I burnt in the Kujina. I just did that smoking, man. We ain't gonna flex about it. You smell me, feel me? Why put the look at, man? Child, nigga. Young 90 still a problem, my nigga. They was asking questions like 90 ain't the truth, you know what I'm talking about? But I just want the critics to see this, man. I want everybody to get a good look at this face, man. You gonna see this nigga one day right here, nigga. MSM the gang, nigga. MSMG, nigga. Phil Wild, nigga. Kelly Colt, the north side. All the way from motherfucking Trinity Garden back to the motherfucking me I-10 freeway, nigga. We ripping the whole side, nigga. You know what I'm talking about, nigga? What's up, Homestead? What's up, Southside 3rd Ward, Demond? Know what I'm talking about? What's up, Southwest? What's up, A-Leaf? Know what I'm saying? Jasper, Texas. Louisiana. You know what I'm saying? Baton Rouge. Free my nigga Lil Boosie. What's up, Lil Donkey? You know what I'm talking about? Rest in peace, you know what I'm saying? All my fallen soldiers, you smell me? Holla at your boy, Young Nate. Feel wild, nigga. Nigga, fuck y'all.